Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore the fascinating world of AI. This is part 7 of a challenge of reaching 50,000 subscribers using the help of ChatGPT. Today, I want to share with you a story that showcases just how powerful AI can be in transforming our world. Imagine that you're walking down the street minding your own business when suddenly you hear a loud crash. You turn around to see a car that has just collided with another vehicle. Before you even have the chance to react, an ambulance pulls up to the scene. But here's the catch: the ambulance didn't get there by chance. In fact, it was by AI that alerted the emergency services to the accident before anyone even made a call. How is that possible, you might ask? Well, in some cities around the world, AI is being used to monitor traffic and predict accidents before they happen. These systems use a combination of cameras, sensors, and algorithms to analyze traffic patterns and identify potential hazards. When an accident is detected, the system can automatically alert emergency services and even reroute traffic to avoid further incidents. That's just the beginning of how AI is transforming our world. In fact, AI is being used in countless ways to make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. For example, in the field of healthcare, AI is revolutionizing how doctors and researchers approach everything from diagnosing diseases to developing new treatments. By analyzing vast amounts of data from medical records, clinical trials, and genetic databases, AI algorithms can identify patterns and insights that might be missed by human researchers. This has already led to breakthroughs in areas like cancer diagnosis and personalized medicine. Another example is finance. In the world of finance, AI is helping banks and our financial institutions detect fraud, manage risk, and provide more personalized services to customers. By analyzing large amount of data from transactions, social media, and other sources, AI algorithms can identify suspicious patterns and alert human analysts to potential issues. This is helping to protect consumers and institutions alike from financial losses. Another section is marketing. In the field of marketing, AI is helping companies deliver more targeted and effective messages to their customers. By analyzing consumer data from sources like social media, online browsing history, and purchase records, AI algorithms can predict which product a consumer is likely to buy and when. This allows companies to tailor their marketing messages to individual customers, resulting in higher engagement and sales. So, what can you do to stay ahead of the curve and take advantage of the opportunities that AI presents? First, stay informed, follow channels like mine to learn about the latest developments. Second, be open minded. Embrace new technologies and explore how they can help you and your business. And finally, get involved. Join AI communities and attend conferences to connect with other AI enthusiasts. I hope this video has given you a glimpse into the amazing ways that AI is transforming our world. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to follow along of my journey of achieving 50,000 subscribers. Again, thank you so much for watching.